Welcome back to our channel.
And we're the
Chery Sisters!
Today we're gonna show you how we made our own tattoos.
Did you know dry erase marker can float on water?
Let's try it.
You will need a big container of water, a plate, and a dry erase marker.
First you draw a small picture on the plate.
Then you dip the plate into the water very slowly. This is so cool!
I'm gonna name you Starfishing now. Starlight. Yes, Starlight. What are you making?
A fish.
It looks cool.
Thanks.
Can we make them into tattoos?
Yeah, put your hand in it. When the one appears where you want it, pull your hands up slowly. Now we let them dry. Thanks for watching.
Like and subscribe if you want to see more.
Bye! Did you know that, what is it called again?
Dry erasers.
You're supposed...
Can we try to make them into tattoos?
Mess up again. Tattoo.
Okay.
Get ready, crazy.